It is the latest trend in fighting the effects of aging, but before you go to a Botox party, we'll talk to an expert about some things you need to know. It is the latest craze and what some say is the next best thing to the fountain of youth.
But what many women don't realize, and men of course, about Botox is that there are some dangers involved. Joining us now is Dr. Daniel Mann, a Boca Raton plastic surgeon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's start with this, first of all. These Botox parties are becoming all the craze where people go to a house and have the injections, you know, the pig botulism put into their forehead. But this isn't necessarily a safe option, is it?
No, it really isn't, because Botox is wonderful medication, but it should be done in a controlled environment, and certainly not in a party, not where alcohol is given or things that lose control.
Talk to us about the qualifications for someone who should be allowed to give Botox.
Well, Botox is wonderful, but it's the person behind who gives the Botox is important. Who is the injector? Is it somebody who does have experience with this? Does he know how the face, the body is built, you know, the muscles? So a board-certified plastic surgeon, a dermatologist, that would be very good.
So you have to be safe. Yesterday, I actually saw a sign that said drive-through Botox. There was a sign on the sidewalk. So, of course, dentists and some other people are trying to get into this, but make sure you go with someone certified. Is that right?
That definitely is, and watch for the places where they advertise for a cheap Botox, because always Botox has a regular price and you can't make it cheaper. The only way to cheapen it is by diluting it. So you're actually being cheated if you go to a place where it's cheap, because that is diluted and it would have very short life.
So are there risks involved if you found yourself injected with diluted Botox?
Well, the risk is, first of all, you don't know if the needle is really clean, if there's a way to control how it's being done. There could be also allergic reaction, and the person who injected doesn't have a way to control this allergic reaction.
Okay. So the bottom line here is talk to your doctor and know the risks.
Definitely is.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Daniel Mann, for joining us and telling us about the dangers of Botox parties.
Well, it's no secret J-Lo's rear view gets lots of attention.
But did you know that you too can get a bigger, better behind? Now, a Boca Raton plastic surgeon has come up with a new, almost painless way to do it.
Eyewitness News 25's Terry Parker has the story.
Dr. Daniel Mann took his experience of plastic surgery and liposuction to come up with a way to give you a big round back end. No implants needed.
Buttocplasty is the procedure where the buttocks, which falls down, is being fixed into a better position the way when it was younger.
Dr. Mann says he simply takes away the droopy bottom fat and replaces it at the top of the buttocks, which get flatter as we age. Jan Ferruso had buttocplasty 1 week ago.
I just did not like looking at my body in jeans and certain slacks, and I thought about it for so long.